Right, going forward, we explained in our last video that you can create a storefront by just clicking the add new node, right? After adding a new store, it will appear like this. As you can see here, that is the new store. I created this one already, but it will appear like this after creating everything. So this is the statistics. When you create a new store, you want to know what are the store volumes, the number of goods that are bought here, and you want to know the active inventory. You want to know how many goods are in your product listing under this new store, this new shop. And also active leads means clicks, the clicks that you click from the product, from a product. 35 order initiated, people who wanted to initiate their orders, they will come there and initiate their order. So some might think, what is he talking about? Active leads, order initiations. In order to understand this, we will go to the first page here, explore or discover page. The explore or discover page, when someone entered or logged in and choose to be a supplier from this, as a supplier, after creating a store and listing goods like this, all these goods will appear in this discover page. It's just like, this is just like Mbari Pamsika. Everyone is displaying their chose. Mwane Madumasi, Mwane Matemba at per side. So everything will be here, discoverable. For example, let's see this. This is local inventory. The first one is web app and mobile development, $50 to create some web apps. That is me. I created this one. So there's a talk button and the order button. The order button will redirect you to something like a checkout page, a form that appears with the product or the service that you have clicked, with the total amount and quantity adjustment. But for this, I think it's just the same thing, because this is a service. You can't order two services. But this usually applies on products. For example, if there are plates, you could say I need 5 plates, 8 plates. But for now, this is a service. This one is okay. Then we only configure on this service. We only configure cash on delivery or pay on delivery. So if you click that pay on delivery button, you will be redirected to a pay on delivery form where you fill your name, your phone number, then you adjust the quantity of product that you need, then deliver address. We take all this information to Natura because we wanted to deliver to your house. We need to know who is the person that we are going to deliver goods to, their phone number for contact purposes. For example, tasvika pagedhi vemutora zvinhu zvenyu. The quantity we talked about that one, especially when kana ari magudzi. Unokwanisa kuda shuga 2 nematemba 3. Then full address, of course we need this one kuti tikwanise kudeliver. Munogara kupi amai? Munogara kuchorocho pahouse number 17. Munogara kupi baba? Munogara kunonzi kuQueenspark West pahouse number 25, road inonzi Den, whatever road. I'm just making up these addresses. After the delivery address, we click this button, this nice glowing button, finalize delivery order. Zviri kureva kuti takuti tasevha, takusenda delivery order kumuridzi wezvinhu kuti aone kuti ndinoda zvinhu izvi papi. So if you finalize this, let me for example, let me do this by adding name. Let's say my name is Daniel Chakura. I'm sorry if there's anyone with this name. It's just a made up name. Let's give them a phone number, 0785 963 452. Again, it's a made up number. Sorry if someone is using this number. Here on quantity, we are not going to adjust any quantity. Why? Because it's a service. We are ordering a service. So we just wanted customer to come, maybe to consult and create a website for us. So we write a delivery address, 5 Clark Road, suburbs, Bulawayo. Tulota number 5 Clark Road. That's what guys. For example, we are a company. We need a web development service. We need a web app. We need a software to use on our business. So we want this guy who is the supplier, who supplies the service, or who provides the service of web development or web app development. Then we finalize here. After finalizing, you will see we'll be redirected to a secure node. Secure node is like a direct message that will be an encrypted message between the supplier and the customer who needs anything, either goods or services. So let's just give it a time. It will deliver the message containing the details of this of the customer who needs, or the client who needs to be created or to be helped by web development services. So the supplier will see the message, customer, goods delivery initiated, or product or service delivery initiated, and all the details, web development, then address. Then the provider or the supplier, the service provider, will come to number 5 Clark and do their things. I think this is my network. It's lagging, but that is how this button works. And then talk. If you want to talk to, yeah, this message is the first message. Let me read. The first message is that I filled the pay on delivery. Pay on delivery order initiated. The pay on delivery that the form that we just filled. Item, web app and mobile app development. Quantity 1, total $50. Customer retail, name Daniel Chakura, the name that I wrote in that form. Contact number, the contact number that I wrote in that form. The address, 5 Clark Road, suburbs, the address that I wrote. You see, that is when the customer, when the supplier sees this, they will either call or reply. They give each other an appointment to do the work. The second time that I click the let's talk button, it will automatically send this message to the supplier. Hi, I am Yaras. I am interested in the product, service, the web app and mobile app development. So either way, whether you click the button or you click the order now, you probably will end up on the same spot. But for the products like this product is configured to use either Echo Cash or pay on delivery. This product is not configured for Echo Cash, but for this product it's configured for Echo Cash. So if you click the order now button, you'll see two buttons here glowing, the Echo Cash button and the Cash on Delivery button. So if you want these Unigrow 45 watts fast charger, you want 3 of them. See, the price is also adjusting, $8 each. For 3 is $24. So for payment method, you choose Echo Cash. After choosing Echo Cash, you will be prompted to use the Echo Cash matrix. This is just a technical jargon. It's just like Echo Cash USSD code dialer. It means you are going to dial this button, and this button is going to redirect you to your phone dialer, where you will dial the Echo Cash USSD and you will pay this amount. After paying this amount, you will show the proof of payment, and we will either deliver your goods or you come and collect your goods. Depends on the agreement. So after dialing, you see it will be redirected to a phone dialer. See, let's repeat again in order for you to see clearly. You will be redirected to your phone dialer and dial this number. The magic will happen. By dialing this, you agree that you are going to pay the amount that is displayed there to the supplier, and you are going to buy such a product from them. Okay, that is all about the product. So this is the Explorer page, the page that is labeled here. This Explorer page is where all the products are found. You can browse through all these products. You see the speakers, the chargers, the 200 watts chargers, the memory cards, the flash drive, USB flash drive, memory cards again, web design, the phones. As you can see, the speaker boxes, all this. So what happens is, if you create a store from this hub or profile, you create a store like what I did here. You can go to this button, manage. After managing or creating a store like this, then you add the listings. The listings are the goods that you create under this store. This is the listing. AILV 100 watts Bluetooth speaker. These are the goods, So these goods are the ones displayed on this page. So after, as a supplier, if you create your store and your goods will automatically be shown here. You'll have all your goods here, so that the customers, when they come to this app, they will browse through your goods and find whatever the goods they are interested in. They'll click either talk button or order button, and you start negotiating, and they will buy your products. We are also going to add more payment systems, for example, pay now integrations, so that you either choose to use an online integrated, or you just talk and then send the money to the person, and the person will deliver the goods, or you come and collect your goods, which is a better way. Some may not be that technologically advanced to navigate through pay now gateway, and they are not configured to use pay now to pay or to make any cash transaction. So mostly the pay on delivery is the most effective payment gateway that can be used by people, usually in small towns, rural areas, or those with informal business sector. Informal business sector means vanotengesa zvemisika pamushikashika parodhi, vanenge vasina vasiri that technologically advanced, uye vasina magadgets or devices or internet that serious ekuzopinda pay now gateway. But anyway, by the way, talking of internet, this application can work offline. It can use a process that we call PWA, that Progressive Web App, which means it can cache your data on the local storage, and it can sync the data when active connection is restored. As this is indicated by the sync green button on top near the logo. So it works offline. So you can see that even if I switch off the Wi-Fi here, you can still browse through, but it only shows a red button, which means the system is offline. Sorry, I just switched to my data bundle, but I'm going back to Wi-Fi. I'm going back to Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is it. Let's cut this and do maybe a last video. Thank you very much.